Hey there, Notion enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for 2025's most powerful productivity tools. Today, we're tackling a common frustration: how to undo mistakes in Notion. Whether you're a beginner or a power user, knowing this can save you tons of time and headaches. So, let's dive right in. First off, the simplest way to undo in Notion is using keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, just hit Ctrl+Z, and on Mac, it's Command+Z. This works for most text edits, like typing errors or formatting changes. It's super quick. Try it next time you accidentally delete a paragraph. But what if you're not a keyboard shortcut fan? No worries. Head to the top menu bar in Notion. Click on Edit, and you'll see the Undo option right there. It's straightforward and perfect for when you're working on a trackpad or mobile device. Speaking of mobile, in the Notion app for iOS or Android, you can usually undo by shaking your device. Yes, you heard that right. But if that doesn't work, look for the Undo button in the editing toolbar. Now, for more permanent changes, like deleting a page or block, Notion's version history is your best friend. Go to the page you messed up, click the three dots in the top right, and select Page History. Here, you can see all previous versions and restore whatever you need. It's like a time machine for your notes. One quick tip: always save your work frequently, as undo might not catch everything, especially in collaborative documents. And if you're using Notion's AI features in 2025, double-check before confirming changes. There you have it. Undoing in Notion is easier than you think. Try these methods out and let us know in the comments if they helped. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.